1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Woo!
Hello guys and welcome back to this one. So today we are going to be getting into the graphical illustration of the computing or medium of online or streaming data, right? We are going to now see maybe some of the gray areas, or if not the gray areas around our code explanation from yesterday. So basically what we have in a nutshell is we have an array of values that are coming into the system, and we've already established sort and median, which is like a sort and median calculator that helps us sort the value and then return the median, right? Because obviously we've already spoken about a stream list that we have within the system that holds values and helps us previous values and helps us calculate medians against them. Now let's see how this solution goes. Now we have 10 coming first. We go ahead to sort 10, return the median, and basically that will give us 10 on the first instance, right? Because there's nothing to solve, there's no median to solve again. Median is obviously the mean of the two middle numbers, or basically the middle number, right? So that's the first guy to get printed out. Now we have two come next. Now when two come into the system, we do sort on median. When it goes into sort on median, or sorry, it first goes into the stream list and it's updated, then we point that to do sort on median. So now sort on median has 2, 10 equals to what? So basically we solve for the middle number because of we now have two values as the middle in a sense, but because obviously they are the only guys in the list, we solve against them. So this plus this is 12 divided by 2, we have 6. So we go ahead to update our print output. Now 3 comes into the fold. First off, it hits the stream list as usual, boom, and then we have this guy can just update that here. Have this guy become 3. So now source would first do what? To first get it sorted, right? 3. So basically we don't have two middles here. It's an odd length. So but it's a no-brainer that what we have is going to just be the middle is just going to be what? 3, right? So we don't need this solving for here. We can just say equals to what 3, because that's the middle of this thing. So we go ahead to print out our median to be 3 because that's the middle number here. 15 comes into the fold, the same thing. We first come here to the stream list and update 15. That's our helper, right? Now we have 3 comma 15, this after the sort, right? Now sorry, haven't done that. We have 2, 3, 10 and 15. Now who are the two middle boys? 13 and 10, right? So what do we do? 13 and 10, muchas gracias, I'll get that in. Yes, so we have 13, we divide that by 2, we have 6.5, right? So we see our median is beginning to take shape. So we see the system that is being played out, right? And then we have 15 again. So that same manner we continue to update. We have this guy over here get updated, right? Now if we add another 15 to the fold, obviously sorry, we have to add that there, another 15 to the fold, we should have a middle number which is 10, which is from the no-brainer aspect. You can just add 10 here, what am I doing? Yep, and boom, we have our median list fully printed out in this manner. So we see what the system is. It's just basically going through it, passing it through our already defined function, passing values through our already defined function, and boom, giving us a result. So next stop now, we are going to be looking at the debugger tool, and we're going to be understanding the debugger tool and how this solution passes through the code in real time and the output gives us. So stay tuned for that one. See you on the next one. Ciao.